Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the environment and getting Vault installed. This is where you act. Install the Vault binary or pull the official container, then set Vault header so the client talks to the server. Once done, pick a storage backend, dev for experiments, file or console for production, because storage determines unseal workflow and HA behavior. Make sure TLS is configured to protect transport. Without it, keys and tokens travel unencrypted, which defeats the purpose of a secrets manager. You now initialize and bring Vault to life. Do this carefully and store assets. Run Vault operator init to create the unseal key shares and initial root token. Split and secure the shards because those keys unseal the Vault. Next, unseal using Vault operator unseal or automate unsealing with an HSM or Cloud KMS to remove manual steps. After unsealing, enable an authentication method like AppRole or OIG and attach fine-grained policies so clients get only the secrets they need. You finish by configuring secrets engines and operational hygiene to keep Vault reliable. Enable KVV2 for static secrets or database and PKI for dynamic credentials. Write under clear paths and attach policies. Use leases and dynamic credentials to rotate secrets automatically, and monitor renewals with the telemetry endpoints so expirations don't break services. If something goes wrong, first run Vault status and check audit logs and metrics. Make sure unseal key holders are reachable or automated unseal is healthy, because most outages trace to unseal or storage problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.